Hello everybody, this is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I will be showing you this baby Duracraft Box Fan. This is another of Tori's shit show finds. Picked this up, I guess, at Goodwill for $5. It's not a bad little fan. You don't really see these much anymore. There's the box. Here's the fan. The fan's in pretty decent shape. Alrighty, we'll start her up. It's a 2-speed fan. Not a bad little fan, perfect for an office space. There's height. Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and as always, more to come later.